Hey, I'm Will. I just felt the need to go over this new platform real quick because they have a pretty big up-and-coming airdrop that I don't want any of us to miss out on. And they also claim that you can start investing and earning with them with $0. So let's check this out real quick. Today we're talking about Klink, the crypto wealth creation platform that you can start with just $0. You're able to participate in a bunch of major airdrops that they highlight on their page. You're able to earn payouts through their paywalls, doing different surveys, playing different games, completing different offers. And you're also able to manage a whole bunch of different cryptos safely on their brand new platform. Klink offers a bunch of different staking options, earning up to 12% APY right now. And the main reason I'm bringing this to you is Klink's own personal airdrop that you're going to be able to get rewards from through their app, as well as their Telegram bot and Zeely. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, so getting started with my promo code, you're going to get an extra $5 when you earn $10 from the Earn Crypto section here. So when we come into here, they have a whole bunch of different offers. So we're going to have all the different crypto services here and what you can earn from it. When we come down to gaming, there's all the different gaming options as well, and as you can see, they only pay out in USDT right now, which isn't a bad thing. Now when you come over to the quest, you will see that they also have a couple different airdrops that they feature of other people's airdrops, so these are always good to get in on. This is a really neat feature because a lot of these airdrop campaigns really do not last long. Like this one just popped up today, and as we can see, it ends in 6 days for the Orochi token airdrop. They also offer a bunch of prize pools, which is a pretty good feature that you can earn or buy tickets for to get in on. And down in the wallet is a whole bunch of different tokens that you're currently able to hold on their platform. And all these ones up here you're able to hold for 12%, 8%, 5%, 5%, 4%. So it's like your pretty standard, typical rewards for holding and staking tokens. But the main thing we want to do when we get started is come up here to earn more Klink, and you're going to come down to all these quests here. There's the daily check-in, different feature offer quests such as playing the games, completing different surveys, different rewards, earning points in social quests, for swapping money, and referring your friends. So far, you can see I have 1,115 airdrop points on their app and 1.1 million on their Telegram app. And all we really have to do to get to the Telegram app is come over here and tap on the Telegram point section, where it's going to open up Telegram for us and bring us to their airdrop there, where you just go and launch it and start earning. So they're going to have a whole bunch of different things you can complete here. You're just going to tap on it and complete it. And then over here, they have the tap to earn section. Now you can only get these points. And what I mean by that is if you are to come over to the booster here, you can see for 10,000 points, we can upgrade the multi-tap, the recharging speed, and the energy limit. But none of the points allocated from the tasks or from the mining section here can be used for that, or even the daily boost, which is a little bit different than pretty much every other Telegram tapper that I've used. And this is only available on the mobile device. It is one of those that you cannot access it from the desktop version. When you first start off, you're going to notice that you can't mine like I am right now. You do have to come over and complete all of these different tasks. You do have to complete all these different tasks to have access to the mining, which will run for 8 hours a day. And then, of course, there is also the daily check-in. All in all, it seems like a pretty good, straightforward platform. It is fairly new, so there aren't many reviews on it yet, and there is no crypto token price set or token generation date set either. It's speculated to all come out on the Q1, so January, February, or March of 2025, there should be the token generation event and the airdrop. Just a quick little update so you guys don't miss out. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and keep acquiring assets.